Hey there, Heather Boyd-Wire here, introducing Orangutangle. It's the game that you make yourself. All you need are paper clips. You don't even need any tools. We're going to start by opening up a paper clip. You can do this by hand. Just go very slowly and push out the little kinks to get it as straight as possible. When you go slowly, it works quite well, and then you end up with a straight paper clip. And from there, we're going to make our own tool to do the bending. So open up a different paper clip and wind the straight one around a few times. We want to make a spring, so now we'll remove it, and we have our little DIY tool ready to go. So now we're first going to form a hand on another paper clip. We're just going to give it a little bend. That'll be the hand of the orangutan, and curve out the arm just by hand like that. Remove the spring, and then we'll flip it around and put the spring back on the paper clip, and we're going to give this one a little bend down. This is at the underarm, and so it looks like this so far. And so now we're going to give it a little bend where the foot will be. So bend it at a bit of an angle, and then squeeze it together a bit. That's the first leg, and then just between the legs we're going to give it a little bend to bend it down for the other leg. So give it a bend, looks like that, and bring the spring off and pinch it together so it's a little more narrow. Now put the spring back and give it a bend at the foot, a bit of an angle. So we have the other leg coming along. Remove the spring and give it a good little pinch. So we have our two legs. So now put back the spring, and we're going to bend it under the second arm. So give it a little bend so it's at another angle, and then we want to curve this one around. There you go. So we've got the curve, remove that, and we're going to wind it around another paper clip to make a loop. This is going to be the head, and we just want a little bit of a round circle here. So don't pull it too tightly. So there's the head, and now we're going to put the spring back and curve out the arm. So just curve it a little bit, go slowly there. So that's the curve of the second arm. So you see it's coming along. Lift it up and give it a bit of a sharp bend for the other hand. So it's almost done. You can remove the tool and just squeeze it together and bend one arm one way. Flip it around and bend the other arm the other way, so they're like little hooks. And then from there you can stack up your orangutans and print out the package, cut it out, fold it. This is the origami for a drinking cup. Fold across the top, tuck it in, throw in your orangutans, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much to my friend Reese for creating the music for the ad for the Orangutangles, and to my friend Sharon for singing the lyrics. Have fun making these guys, and be sure to send me some pics of you and your friends playing Orangutangle. You can also do the Orangutangle dance and share it on TikTok. Check out the description below to download the printable package, the PDF instructions, and the link to email me your photos. Thanks for watching, and see you the next time.